Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a radio button border in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Now select form option this menu bar and here you will find select option. Click on the download and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor. You can select all of them at once or you can select one by one. Now press right button for the mouse cursor and select properties dialog box and properties dialog box as appearance option. Here you can change border line style. You can make it insert or dash, all of them. Now see this changing at a time. You can make it thick, see this. Also you can change border color, see this. And if you want, you can hide this border color and see this. And I can select here. You can change and edit one by one. Make it solid. This one also solid, and I will hide this border and close and see this. Yeah, in this way you can edit border video button in a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and